Some employees get dismissed not because they are guilty, but because they never knew the one rule that could have protected them. Audi alterum partem. The Latin phrase means, listen to the other side. And in some South African workplaces, employees are punished, charged, humiliated, without ever being properly heard. In labor law, your employer cannot discipline, suspend, or dismiss you unless you've been given a real chance to state your side of the story. Not rushed, not intimidated, not pre-decided, but a fair, meaningful opportunity to defend yourself. And this is your legal right. You are not voiceless, you are not disposable. If they silence you, the entire process becomes unlawful. Before you step into any meeting or disciplinary hearing, make sure your voice is protected. Make sure your story is heard. Contact Labour Hand SA. Your side matters and will help you defend it.